Welcome, friends. So today we will learn about the method chaining concept in Java. Through method chaining, we can you can say we can make a 10 lines code into single line code. Through method chaining, we can reduce the lines of code actually, and Uh, let me show you this by using simple Java programs. I am using STS tool, and I have changed the perspective to Java, and I have just created a Java project where it is here Java chaining in Java. You can use any tool, and I have just make two classes, student dot Java and method chaining demo. So let's try to use it. In student Java, we have defined three fields: ID, name, and address. And let's generate its setter and getters. Uh, Source, generate setters and getters. Select all. Here they are. And in old way, like we have I am just commenting out these lines because these lines were used later. And this is the driver class for running the student, for using the student.java class. And in this class, I have made two objects of student class, student1 and student2. And previously, if we have to set some name and ID of the student, we use like this student student dot I think my bad. Student one dot set address, like address is equal to Jaipur. Then student one dot set ID like two, and then uh, student one one dot set name like demo. So this is the general way we use to set some properties of a class of a object, and you can see it occupy three lines. But what if we can do this through one line, and this will shorten our code. This will look like better. It will clear our code. It will clean the our code will look like clean code. And for this, I have to generate some I have to modify the return type of the setters. Like here it is. Like if I change the return type to this, and this contains the reference of current class, and the current class is our student. Similarly, I am adding a return here, return this, and changing it to student. And similarly here, return this. Hmm, student. Just let also generate two string. Here it is. And now try to do like this. uh, this is our ordinary way of setting the properties of a object, and this is the method chaining. Through this, we can see we have set the all properties into a single line. So let me first run it, then explain what's happening in background. Just go run as Java application, and here you can see student ID 2, name demo, address Jaipur, ID 2, name Sham, address Delhi. So through this line, it set same properties, and through these three lines, it also saves same properties. So we can go for method chaining for saving our lines of code. So let me explain what's happening in the behind. While we are calling student dot set ID 2. Previously, the return type was void, and we cannot call others thing because the return type is void. But I have modified now. I have modified the return type of set ID to student. So consider it as a student. So we have a return type student. So student can call other method also, like set name, set address. So I call set name, and also set name return type is also student. So through this we can also call other methods like set address, set ID. So we are calling these things. So don't consider it as a student ID. Consider this part is as a student, identical student. So student can call other methods also. So we can achieve this by changing the return type of setters to its class name. Okay, so thanks for watching, and in next videos, further videos, I will demonstrate the builder pattern and why we do need builder pattern. I will explain in my subsequent videos. So thanks for watching, and if you like my video, do share it, do like it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.